আদি চমচম of শিবগঞ্জ, চাঁপাইনবাবগঞ্জ, বাংলাদেশ। Adi Chomchom, Chapainawabganj is a famous sweet of Shibganj in Nawabganj district. It has been made since the Nawab period of Bengal. Adi Chomchom of Shibganj is a tradition of this district for 150 years. Shibganj was the capital of ancient Bengal, Gaur, and the police station of Malda district of undivided India. At that time, many Moiras lived in this region. After the partition of the country, many people moved to Malda, but several families remained in Shibganj. Since then, they have continued this profession. The Adi Chomchom of Shibganj, Chapainawabganj, Bangladesh. Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact number 01746477789. Content created by Shathi Bonik. Voice Tahmina Shanta. Thanks for watching.